going on, everyone? Hope you guys are enjoying the outdoors. In this video, I'm going down the B Canyon Trail in Granada Hills, California. I pedaled up for 4 miles at the Mario de Campo Trail, and now we get to enjoy the downhill together, so let's go. Let's do this. Yeah, buddy. Man, it feels amazing to go down these hills. Yes. Ah! But you can't wash out at any time, so be careful. Sick. Yes. Ooh. Yes. I believe this trail ends at the old Melvity Park, which I've never started at, so I figure I'll check it out to see how it is, because I don't think you can park right here. Pretty steep. It's hard to see it in video, but really steep and loose. Oh my god, that's good breeze. Yeah, so you can see how steep it is from the angle. If you want to rest, come sit under here and get a good sunburn, and also look at this little mini Christmas tree right here. So as I was trying to say before, I don't think I've seen anybody ride the mountain bike up from Old Melvity Park, because I think I saw a no bike sign somewhere there, but I may be wrong. But let's check it out. Yes. The right way. Getting a little bushy here. It's okay trail, but I wouldn't come back at this part for enjoyment, at least. For cardio, hell yeah, you would come here. But to get a downhill thrill out of it, I'll go somewhere else. That's just me. If you like this type of trail, it's a good one. Which way is it? A little bit of a hip. No picking of fruit allowed here, okay, you guys? I know you want some free lemons or free oranges or whatever, but you gotta respect the rules. See, I knew there was a no bike sign allowed here, so I guess I won't start from here. But it's good for hiking. Before I go, let me get this bit of a transition here. Yes! Damn, that was good. Okay, and that's it for this video, I guess. I didn't have enough time today, so I'll just come back on a different day and hit a more technical trail. See you guys next time.